Okay, today we are going to learn about how to use the formula for area of a circle. From the video, you guys already learned about what the formula looks like. Area equals pi times the radius squared. So when you're given the radius, life is pretty good. When you're given the diameter, sometimes it gets tricky because you have to always remember that you have to find the radius first. So area means we are literally figuring out how many spaces are within a shape. So if I'm finding area of this circle, I'm finding how much coverage is necessary. So it's always about, area is always about covering it. When we talk about examples, putting a lid on something, the crust of a pizza, the pool cover, those are all examples of area in real life. So today we're just going to actually look at practicing problems without real-world examples. We're just going to look at the math that's involved. So in problem 1, it's asking us to find the exact and approximate area. Use 3.14 for pi when we are calculating approximate. When we're asking for an exact answer, we have to make sure we write our answers in terms of pi. So that means you're using pi symbol. So please make sure you're taking very careful notes. Remember that you could always stop this recording or video and rewind until you are understanding what is going on. So that's the nice part about a video, so make sure you're taking notes and actively listening as well. Alright, so let's practice. Area equals pi times radius squared. So we're given the radius is 2 inches. We're given the radius is 2 inches. So what we're doing here is 2 squared means 2 times 2 times pi. When we're asking for an exact answer, 2 times 2 is 4, and we're just going to put the pi symbol next to it and not actually multiply it out. We put our label, our units, which is inches, and because it's area, we always have to make sure we're putting our answer in terms of second power because area is squared. Okay? When we are asking or ask for an approximate answer, we actually have to multiply our answer by 3.14. So 4 times 3.14 is 12.56, 12 and 5600ths, and we also have to make sure we write it as inches squared. The second problem just doesn't give us the picture, but it's the same idea. Find the area of a circle with a radius of 14 inches. So I always rewrite my formula. Area equals pi times radius squared. My radius is given. So remember, it's radius times radius. 14 times 14, not 14 times 2. That's, once again, that big mistake. 14 times 14 is 196. I still need to make sure when I'm giving an exact answer, I put pi symbol.
Good morning, Viking staff. I need the following numbers, please.
Sorry for the announcement, but you know those always happen. All right, so 196 pi inches squared. When we are calculating the approximate, we actually have to multiply 196 times 3.14, and that gives us 615.44 inches squared. Make sure at this point we're not worried about rounding. It does say to round to the nearest hundredth place, and that's what I'm doing, but if the rounding part is confusing, we'll worry about that a little bit later down the road. Let's do a couple more examples, 3 and 4, and then you are going to try the last 2 on your own. All right, so number 3, this time you have to realize we're not given the radius, we're given the diameter. So if the diameter is 11, the radius is half that amount. So I have to divide it by 2. So So the radius is 5.5 feet, or 5.5 feet. I still use the same formula, area equals pi times radius squared, except now 5.5 times 5.5, radius times radius, equals 30.25. That's enough for my exact answer. Area equals the radius squared, which is 30.25, pi feet squared. For the approximation, I just have to take that amount, 30.25, and multiply it by pi value, 3.14. My answer in closest to the hundredth place would be 94.99 feet squared. Notice, only pi symbol goes in the exact answer. If I put it with the approximate answer, we talked about this already. It's like double doing the pi symbol. You've already multiplied it by pi, so there's no need to do it again. Number 4, the area of a circle with a diameter of 6.4. So we're given the diameter again, right here, but we need the radius for area. So I have to divide 6.4 centimeters by half that amount. So the radius is actually 3.2 centimeters. Area equals pi times radius squared. So 3.2 times 3.2 equals 10.24 pi centimeters squared. That would be the exact answer. My approximate answer, I just multiply by 3.14, and my final answer for the approximate value would be 32.15 centimeters squared. Alright, I want you guys to stop and pause the video. For right now, you are going to try number 5 and 6 on your own. When you have completed 5 and 6, check over your work and check over your answers by hitting play again. Do it the right way. Don't just copy. Make sure you're trying the problems on your own. After you look over your answers, you and your group are going to work on the area code breaker. That will be turned in. That's classwork. And I look forward to seeing that tomorrow. Okay, so at this time you should have number 5 and 6 completed because you paused the video. For number 5, 10 times 10 is 100 inches squared. So my exact answer would be 100 pi inches squared. Multiplying 100 out by 3.14 for my approximate would be 314 inches squared. Okay, so if you got that correct, you're in good shape. Last question, area of a 12-inch pizza. The diameter is 12 inches, therefore you need the radius. The radius is 12 divided by 2, which is 6 inches. Area equals pi times radius squared, so 6 times 6 is 36 pi inches squared. The approximate value of that, when I multiply 36 by 3.14, I get 113 and 4/100 inches squared. Those are your 2 answers for number 6. If you did that right, you're doing well and you seem to be on track. So, like I said, now you're going to work on the code breaker. Make sure you get it turned in, and any extra time could be for the game that I attached to Google Classroom or homework. I hope you have a good day.